Check out this 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include work truck equipment group, solid smooth ride suspension package, 6-speaker audio system feature, 6 speakers, air conditioning, power steering, traction control, ABS brakes, dual front impact airbags and dual front side impact airbags. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.